Okay, so now we're on the second page, and problem number 5 says that a man at a marine charges $2 to clean up 5 fish, up to a max of 100 fish. So if I have 5 fish I want clean, and it's $2 each, 2 times 5 is $10. And if I have 100 fish, 2 times my 100 fish would be 200. And then it says that he also charges an equipment fee of $20. So whether he cleans 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way up to 100, he's going to charge me $20 for equipment. So that means I need to add 20 to both of these amounts. So now I'm looking at anywhere between $30 to $220. So now that I know what my span is, it says what's the greatest amount in the range for this situation? Well, the greatest amount that I could be charged is right here. It's my $220. Number 6 says that Austin cleans 20 to 25 stalls at the fairgrounds every day. If he is, paid. If he is paid $40 plus an additional $8 per stall, write an inequality to show the estimate of the money that he can make each day. So you need to take into account there's a 20 to a 25, and he's paid $40 plus $8 for every stall that he cleans. So if I want to write in an inequality, you can do a compound inequality like this. And in the middle here, it's going to be $8 times the number of stalls plus his $40. And once you have that, we just can figure out the numbers that need to go on either side using the same process we used up here. If Austin cleans 20 stalls, 20 times 8 is going to be 160 plus 40 more means he could earn at the very least or equal to $200. If he cleans 25, 25 times my 8 is going to be 200 plus the 40 more. So this is going to be 240. And now I have this compound inequality that I can solve to figure out how many stalls he could possibly clean. Okay, and then number 7, the last one, it says William needs to mow 28 lawns per week at an average of 4 lawns per day. The expression, which is given right here, gives the number of lawns L left to mow after D days. So this is L, the number of lawns I have left, and this is how many days have gone by. It says create a graph that shows the number of lawns William has left to mow after D days. So I'm going to make a graph. And I'm going to call this down here days. And on this side I'm going to call this lawns. And easiest way to do this is to plot numbers. So I'm just going to 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to plot some stuff. So if I plug in, and I have a 0, so if I plug in 0 to this equation, make myself a little table. D for days and L for lawns. When I plug in 0, 4 times 0 is 0, and then 28 minus 0 means after 0 days I have 28 lawns. So I think going by 5s might be the best bet. So after 0 days, so initially I have to have 28 lawns. When 1 day goes by, that means that 4 times 1 is 4, and then 28 minus 4 is going to get me to 24. So when 1 day goes by, I have 24 left. If I plug in 2 in this equation right here, all we're going to do is do 28 minus 4 times 2, and that's going to equal 20. So after 2 days, I have 20. Then I'll do the same thing for 3. So it's going to be 28 minus 4 times 3. Which is going to get me to 16. And then if I want to do 4 days, 28 minus 4 times 4, get me 12. And you can keep going to make your graph. But every time you can see right here, this is decreasing by 4, decreasing by 4, decreasing by 4, which means this is going to be a linear function because I am decreasing by a constant amount all the way down. Hopefully this helps you study for your 6 weeks test.